today we're gonna have our first experiment involving eggs. So later we're gonna try to figure out which egg is raw and which egg is cooked. How about let's try it together? Come on!
So we're gonna need one raw egg and one hard-boiled egg. It's not very clear, but I drew a face on each egg, just for fun. So we're gonna first try to spin the egg on the right. Did you notice that it spins quite slowly? Now let's try with the egg from the left. Wow, it spins really fast! Let's try spinning both at the same time. You will really notice, and it's very obvious, that the egg on the left is spinning very fast, while the egg on the right is spinning quite slowly. So let's check which egg is raw and which egg is cooked. Let's try the one on the left. Oh, this is the hard-boiled egg. Let's check the one on the right, the one that spins very slowly. Ooh, it's the raw egg. The hard-boiled egg spins longer and faster than the raw egg. This is because the inside of the hard-boiled egg is a solid, so the entire thing is one solid mass. The raw egg has liquid on the inside, which is harder to spin and slows the egg down. So cooked egg, solid, spins fast. Raw egg, liquid, spins slow.
Wait, we have one more short game or short experiment involving eggs. It involves egg and salt. So let's try that together.
So every time we try to put an egg on the table, it tends to, roll off, right? So how can we make it stand on its own? All we need is a bit of salt. Yes, salt. So what we're gonna do is try to put a small pile of salt on the table. That will be enough. And then try to stand the egg on its end. Ta-da! Yes, egg is able to stand up straight because the salt crystals are almost perfect cubes and they form a sort of pedestal to hold up the egg.
So now we know how to tell which egg is raw and which egg is cooked. Very simple and very fun. I hope you had fun and enjoyed our short experiment for today. See you next time. This is Joyce signing off. Bye!